Hey guys, Dave here, and we are doing a quick site check in Wyckoff, New Jersey. This is a home transformation for a young family. We did a lot of renovation work, the whole top floor that you're looking at behind me, front entryway, exterior, bunch of interior work on the first floor, and of course the top floor. So let's take a quick look around. All right, take a look at this transformation. The exterior was finished, and just a quick idea, this house looks sort of like that neighboring house over there with the front entryway. We pulled that off, and that entryway used to be in this area here. We pulled that all out, redirected this front, so we put a new foundation in, new steps, and built the front, redirected the front door facing out to the street. Beautiful portico, and you can see the siding. This is a 5 siding package. We have this accent wall right here that comes out. You can see the accent panels. Another one right over here. And all this is brand new. The whole top floor, the entire roof structure on the entire house. We changed some windows on the first floor. We didn't do an entire first floor renovation, but we opened up a couple of walls, made it more of an open floor plan to keep in the kitchen, keep in the living room. That's Jack's over there. He gets mad when walk away from them. Anyway, you can see the metal accent roof. We also extended the chimney, and it's just a really nice look for this house. They have a dummy window to complement the one next to it. This is an architectural idea from the homeowner hired architect, and you can see how nice this place looks. Hey guys, if you're interested in information on how to hire a contractor, I put together a list. Click on the link down below. You'll get that information for free. Again, click on the link down below and you'll get that information on how to hire a contractor. You'll get it for free. Thanks.